Good evening, future potential employer. In this video, I will show you two projects my team and I have constructed in this semester's engineering classes. The two projects which I am showcasing in this video are probably the most two projects I am proud of. First, I need to introduce myself. My name is Eric Billings. I attend the University of Texas at Arlington. I am pursuing a degree in aerospace engineering. I would like to receive a PhD in this particular field, and this has been my dream since the freshman year of high school. Now that the introductions are over, I will describe both of my projects and also showcase them. The first one I would like to show you, we constructed on February 21st of 2012. I have references and I have my engineering logbook in which all engineers keep. It is for, of course, the organizational and time skills, which in the future will save time and money. And on that day, we were given a bag with a box of spaghetti and masking tape. The objective of this project was to create a water tower that would be able to hold a water balloon a certain height and without breaking, of course. And our idea came down to this very structure right here. As you can see, the masking tape and the spaghetti and the box, and also the inside of the tape, the masking tape package that was used, the little cardboard circle. And this is our creation, and we did hold the heaviest balloon. I do not remember the exact weight, but we did construct that, and this is what it looks like. And it's been a little damaged since we've used it many times to show people that it really works. The second project, which we have not tested it thoroughly because it is due at the end of the semester, but it's fully functional, is our Rube Goldberg machine, which many people dislike. But the objective of this particular machine, was to make a ping pong ball go through a hoop and activate a sound once to signal that it has been successfully put through the hoop. There were a minimum of 12 steps. The hoop had to be 2.5 inches in diameter, and it had to be 2 feet by 2 feet by 2 feet. So a basic cube. I will show that towards the end, and I will also go through each process with you as we are going through it. So let's get to the first project, shall we? So this is the water tower that we constructed on February 21st, 2012, 9:30 to 10:20 a.m. I have this written in my logbook for a reference. And as you can see, we have three different size balloons. This size, small, medium, and large. And I will note that I have not tried this one. When we did it in class, the balloon was nowhere near this size. It was maybe slightly bigger than this one, and it works. So this is an experimental, and I really hope it does not blow up on my laptop. So the first one we're going to try is this one, and this is the test one. And it holds for 5 seconds. Okay, that one passed. Now you're going to do the medium size, which is a little bit heavier. Okay, that is the second test. The light here is the last one, which highly experimental. I do not know if the tower can withstand it. Again, this is the tower I have constructed. It's made of a box of spaghetti and packaging tape. That is all that we were able to use during this experiment. Here's the last test. And I report to say that it will not hold it. It was being bent and damaged, and as you can see, there is a tear. You may not be able to see it due to the light, but there is a tear that just ripped here. So that was my water tower testing, and then again, this is what me and my team and I constructed on February 21st, 2012.
Okay, so this is the Rube Goldberg project. One thing I did not mention before is that the Rube Goldberg machine had to fit on a budget of $30 or less, and luckily with everything we scrounged up from the college trash bins, yes, trash bins, we managed to be able to create this project with half that. We made $15 worth of material. This table here, me and my roommate found in the dumpster, and we used this, and also the metal bar here was constructed from the table. The dominoes my friend had, so that was free. These were $1, and this little plastic cup, again, out of the trash. Yes, we use wisely. This little, you may not be able to see it well. Here is a railroad spike. I do not have, I have no idea where my friend got that from. And here's a can, straw, just things you wouldn't think of. All this cost, took $15, nothing more. So this is how it goes down. The first step here, you pour water into this. Again, the bottle is free. And it goes down a slide, and this domino here, as you can see, with glued or taped to half a spoon, slides down, hits the dominoes. I really do not like dominoes anymore after this. And this ping pong ball here has water within it, and it drops, and you may not be able to see it too well due to the lighting. Again, I apologize. You see the straw back there. The ping pong ball falls down, knocks the string out of the way, and the railroad pin falls over and it pulls this, activates that, and this right here swings over and hits all these, do a reaction, knocks the ball, and makes a noise. So with that said, again, this is 12 to 13 steps. We have definitely the minimum, and this is our first trial here, and I really hope it works well. So here we go. And as you can see, that worked really well. And again, this is the Rube Goldberg project, and we named this project the Machine of Honor. We had no other names, but that's what we called it, and so we're sticking with it. And again, we constructed this with $15 of supplies and materials. And I thank you for watching this test.